So in the event of you damaging any of your props on your Mini 3, now these will be the same for your Mini 2 as well, but this is videos based around the Mini 3 Pro. And what we're going to do, we're going to change the props. Now, you know what guys, I've never yet changed my props on my drones since the old days of the Phantoms. The Phantoms used to change them quite a bit, mainly because they weren't very stable. These newer drones, I've had a couple of scuffles of this already, but the props have been fantastic. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to say that these props there will need changing. And obviously the tools that you need, first thing you need is obviously the props, which you get with the drone anyway. And if you get the flying wall kit as well, you get an extra set of props. I always carry a set of props in my bag just in case. Screwdriver. Now I can't find, I'm sure when I had the drone sent to me, I had a DJI screwdriver in, and I was told that the head on the screwdriver wasn't very good. So what I've done there, I've got a pack which you can all get, guys. Now I know people are going to ask me, oh, can you give me the link? To be honest, where I bought this from, the company has disappeared, but it's like a computer screwdriver set, and I don't really know the size of this screwdriver. Unfortunately, it doesn't give me any indication on what the size is. But anyway, you can get these in most places. It's got a screwable head there to take things off. So obviously you need that. Now the scissors, I've only got the scissors here because my teeth are not brilliant. I haven't got many teeth left, but you need to obviously get the pack. But you can, you don't need to have a set of scissors with you. But I've just got the scissors here just for this. So when you get your pack of props, what you will see on there is the layout for the drone. So the props for A, if you notice, are for this one and this one, and the props for B, which is in the blue there, is for this one and this one. So it is pretty self-explanatory. So just make sure you put on the right props. That's why they've done it A and B, because if you put it on the other way around, guys, the drone will just wobble and crash. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace these at the back here. So this is pack A. So I'm just going to set it up first without cutting my fingers off. That's how I've done it before. Keep those spare. You just open up the pack. You get some screws of it, so be careful when you open it up, guys. You don't lose the screws. The screws obviously in another bag. What I am going to do, they come in a pack anyway, so that's great. So I'm going to leave the screws with the other one, because I'm going to use the screws from this one. And it's quite, I've got massive fingers, and you apparently just put your thing in there, and it's anti-clockwise, and you just take them off, making sure the screw doesn't go into the engine bit. I've already knocked that screw off, so that one's there. And we do the other one, and like I said before, anti-clockwise, just take them off. No great pressure. Okay, so mine's obviously not magnetized like some are. And we just remove those props. Just take them off gently. So there's the damaged ones, even though they're not really damaged, I must say. And then you put on these other ones in the same basis as those. And if you notice, I don't think really you can get them upside down. I'm just looking at these, and I'm just checking them, obviously. And what I have noticed is that the other ones on A have got this little black ridge. These got the black ridge. Now obviously the B ones haven't, so that's another good sort of memo. And then I imagine this is going to be even more fiddlier, especially for the likes of me. So let's get the screw back in. Now hopefully I haven't got to keep, so that went pretty easy, so it's just clockwise back on. And don't over tighten them, guys. Just finger tighten like that. You haven't got to force it on. If an old bloke in his 60s can do it, any of you lot can do this. So like I said, clockwise, don't over tighten. Make sure that those blades are nice and loose. And what we'll do, I'll do a quick test flight, because in the test flight we want to do, guys, which anyway, I'll tell you that in the test flight. So I'll come out to do the test flight after putting on the new props, which is these ones there. And what I'm going to do, just do a basic test, just make sure it's hovering okay, it's going left and right. So I've got pretty good confidence in it. I'm just checking the battery on that. I've got 38%, so we've got plenty for that. Just kicking in at the moment for the satellite, so I'll just wait for the home point to be set.
The home point has been updated.
So the go point's been set, so like I've always said before, guys, always wait for that to take it set. Okay, so all I'm doing is just left to right. It's where it's dipping. Let's bring it in a bit more. Let's bring it down. Bring it up. Bring it down. Turn it. Turn it. Obviously, the avoidance thing, I should have turned it off really, shouldn't I? Bring it over. I mean, to me, that's fine. So that went okay. I mean, you just check this with the sticks, you go left and right. The reason why I went back though is I couldn't really see the drone on the screen. I wanted you to see the drone, so making sure. Now, with my Phantom, I can remember for some reason I put the blades on the wrong one and it went blah, 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 and it just went down. But this, no. So don't be frightened, guys, if you have got a slight chip. They've always said if you've got a little slight chip, it don't cost a lot just to replace them, and it was a pretty simple thing to do. As always, guys, if you liked the vid, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the vid, get a thumbs down. And yeah, I'll catch you in another video. Another Sean the drone tip.